Monday, CRM or Vcita 2025. Which CRM tool should you choose? Most people get CRM selection wrong by assuming all platforms manage clients the same way. In 2025, Monday, CRM and Vcita are two popular options, but they serve very different needs. Monday, CRM is a versatile work management platform with CRM capabilities. You won't believe what happens next. Its visual dashboards, automation features, and customizable workflows allow teams to track leads, sales pipelines, and client projects all in one place. It's ideal for companies that need a robust system adaptable to multiple departments beyond sales. Vcita, on the other hand, focuses specifically on small businesses and client engagement. It combines CRM, scheduling, invoicing, and marketing tools. The surprising truth is that Vcita's all-in-one approach simplifies client communication and payments, which is perfect for solo entrepreneurs or service-based businesses. For teams that need detailed reporting, collaboration features, and workflow customization, Monday CRM shines. Its integration options with other business apps make it highly scalable. Meanwhile, if your priority is streamlining client interactions, appointments, and payments, Vcita is the more targeted solution. Pricing also differs. Monday CRM uses a tiered subscription model based on users and features, while Vcita charges per active client or service package. Evaluating your business size, team complexity, and client management needs will guide the right choice. In conclusion, Monday CRM is best for teams needing flexibility, collaboration, and advanced workflow management. Vcita is ideal for smaller businesses that want a focused, all-in-one CRM for client communication and payment handling. Choosing the right platform in 2025 depends on your business model, scale, and priorities.